Hey Paul Whittington.
Hi.
I had to come here because it's PWM.com.
I know, I would like to say, Nick, that I did that deliberately for you, but it does have pulse width modulation. But that is kind of Paul Whittington music, or it sort of comes out of that. But PWM,
well, that's fair enough.
Yeah.
I think we can cope with that. So what are we looking at here, Paul?
So this is called the Malevolent. It's our first offering. It's a analog synth modular from here to here. Some call it semi-modular, but I don't find that term that useful. It is all on one PCB, but we've got separate modules here, so it is a proper modular synth. It's pre-patched, so the green writing here tells you what is going into each input there. It's kind of logically laid out. Some synths have a bunch of knobs at one end and a matrix at the other end where you patch things together. We kind of like the idea that you can take outputs from here and then decide where they're going, like into there, for example, and then immediately turn the knob to kind of see. So it's a little bit more welcoming, perhaps, to those who haven't used this sort of thing before. It's digital side control, so we have USB here, which in fact it bus powers, believe it or not. So it doesn't take that much current. So we've got MIDI and stuff running in here, MIDI here, analog clock in and out, phones and line out, comes with a power supply, decent switch on the back, nice construction, little party piece, ta-da!
Oh,
it's a detachable end cap. So we're hoping that people will like to customize it and stuff as well. So it's kind of got that nice sturdy construction, but you've got those end caps too. And
that's neat. So at the heart, I noticed at the end here it says Future Sound Systems.
There we go.
This is a collab, right?
So yes, the idea behind my business at PWM is we work with people we like and people that have got complementary skills we can bring together. So the guys down at Future Sound Systems, Finn and Jamie, did the original synth design on this, and then I've worked with a friend of mine from my Novation days, Ben Supper, who has his kind of little group called Supperware, and he's done the firmware side and the control, and then he's kind of owned the whole design and driven it home to where we are today. There's been loads and loads of stuff we've done on the analog side as well as on the digital side to get it to here.
No, we better listen to something.
Yeah, right? we better. Stop talking, Paul. Let's play. So here, just starting very simply, there's our nice little saw. We got these little buttons here, so we can change to triangle.
Oh, I don't know if that's going to come across in the video, but that was deep.
There you go. See, I'll give it a bit of the beats. So there, we're just one OSC at the moment.
Nice sounding oscillator. Is there some drive on the output as well going on there?
There's no additional drive on it at the moment, but you can. You can. I don't want to hurt your audio input, but you certainly can.
We're okay.
Overdrive the amplifier there quite nicely, quite heavily. Add the two together, so a couple of saws. And a bit of modulation going on there, subtly. And we also have performance features, so we're on the joystick, we've got a little pitch bend. This actually it adds glide.
Interesting.
So it's kind of, you've got to learn how to perform with it. If you want modulation, you can do that. And the reason we put that separately is that actually with that you can go speed it up and slow it down that way as well.
Nice touch,
it's kind of a
nice
little thing. And that's on the digital side, so it's completely separate to the LFO that you've got going on there, which I'm not even using at this point. Well, just with the shape mod. But so if we go into here and go across the filter a little bit, it's a Sallen Key Filter. Very simple engineering, but
What sort of
Sallen Key.
Sallen Key.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. 2-pole Sallen Key. I am reliably informed by Finn and Jamie,
Right.
who will hopefully come and see you and tell you more about this.
Oh yeah.
It's further detail for the guys out there. So. And then of course we've got some resonance. It's quite aggressive. And we have kept the burbles, so it will kind of go and do naughty things down the bottom.
Oh right.
It's kind of the idea is that it's Malevolent by name, and it's got this sort of burbling dark undertones in its nature. For those who like that sort of thing.
Excellent.
So it's there.
Have you got a sub in here, or is that just this?
That's
big?
just this little ESI. just as that. So it's quite, it's quite sharp.
Nice to hear a different sort of filter.
Yeah.
A single mode, is it single mode or multi-mode filter? Oh yeah,
We've got multi-mode. So as I say, it comes pre-routed, if you like, or whatever. But simple enough. Take that, it breaks the link between there, and then you can just go into the band or the high pass. So if you go to the high pass, then you're looking at that. That's quite loud, sorry.
Yes, it's all right.
He's still all right for levels. So you're listening to the high pass like that, and of course the band pass as well. There as well. But it will do naughty things in there. And of course it'll self-oscillate as well if I turn this off. So that's quite good fun down there as well.
Nice.
Yeah, all the way down. And there.
Sweet. So it's quite featured, isn't it? I mean, this is you say there's digital. We're not talking about memories here, are we?
Oh no, goodness no. So the digital bit of it is just that it's got MIDI and it'll control the keys. What actually happens is this turns into CV and gate on this slice at the end.
Right. Got
and then everything here is just analog, driven by CV and gate. So but ARP of course, and then a nice hold function, which you can be momentary or latching. So you got a bit more going on there. And then we come down in octave. Increase the octaves a bit. Like that. Going a bit squealy there. And different types of ARP, up and down. Random.
So I see you've gone for very simple button combinations, no diving, all of that kind of stuff.
No menus, no diving, no messing about kind of thing. Designed to be just instant access, dead easy. But there is an element to it. It's an instrument. We want people to learn it, hence the glide thing and the vibrato being slightly different. So we really want people to enjoy it and learn it.
So where are you in? Where are you? I mean, these look pretty complete. I mean, where are you in the production process?
So it's tooled in China and it's ready to go. This aluminium plate here in a plastic cabinet. We're at pre-production stage right now. We've just taken on a partner in Germany for distribution who are hyperactive. And we will be in mass production next month and then shipping, and then it's just about getting it across the water through the Suez Canal, I presume.
Yes, or down the Silk Road apparently is happening.
Oh really?
Yeah,
right.
the driving things.
Right.
And have you got a price that you're aiming for with this?
We do, yes. I will only say the manufacturer's suggested retail prices, which are in the UK $499 including VAT, and in Europe €579 including VAT.
And that's the price.
That's the retail price.
So they might discount the
We would hope that it would be less when it comes to the market in the stores. Yeah.
That's really good. So
you.
basically
Thanks,
your nous is, and your manufacturing nous is keeping those costs down and making it affordable, right?
That's it.
So this is the first of your products, right?
Yes.
More planned?
We have one that is waiting in the wings, which is just about to go into tooling. It will be slightly bigger than this. I don't really want to say too much more about that.
Fair enough. I mean, it just because you're a new company, so there's
Sure.
there's a roadmap, right?
There is, and we've got a third range. So we're looking at three distinct product ranges that will all be synths and they'll all be slightly different.
Paul, thank you so much.
Super. Thank you, Nick.